Switzerland is known for precision. Inside its factories, accuracy is not optional.
Every process here is designed to eliminate variation.
Material enters the system already measured, aligned, and verified.
Machining is controlled digitally, with tolerances measured in microns.
Are changed automatically to maintain consistent output. Quality checks occur during production, not after it ends. Machines report performance data in real time. Surface finishing ensures both accuracy and durability. Human handling is minimized to prevent inconsistency.
This is how precision manufacturing operates at scale.
At this stage, individual components begin to form complete precision units. Every fastening process is digitally controlled to ensure uniform force. Lubrication is applied in precise amounts to reduce wear without excess. Each unit is tested under controlled conditions before moving forward. Even minimal vibration is measured and corrected. Non-conforming units are removed automatically without disrupting the line. Data is continuously analyzed to improve consistency. Final calibration ensures every unit meets Swiss precision standards. Before packaging, each unit is cleaned to remove microscopic residue.
Only fully verified units proceed to the final stage.
Once verification is complete, packaging begins under controlled conditions. Packaging pressure and alignment are carefully controlled to protect accuracy. Each unit is labeled for complete traceability. products are organized by destination before shipment.
Logistics planning ensures timely and reliable delivery.
Energy use is continuously monitored to maintain efficiency.
Potential issues are detected before they affect production.
Diagnostics allow continuous operation without manual checks. Every section operates as part of a single coordinated system.
This stability is the result of disciplined engineering and automation.
Seamless integration of robotics has revolutionized our production capabilities, allowing for unprecedented scale and precision. This factory is designed to operate continuously without interruption.
Workloads are automatically balanced to maintain efficiency.
Final inspections confirm both form and function.
Every product is documented for long-term traceability. Preparation for shipment follows the same precision as production.
At this point, the factory reaches a stable operational balance.
Sustainability is integrated into every stage of production.
Verified products are cleared for global delivery. This level of organization defines Swiss manufacturing.
Precision is not a feature here. It is the foundation.
When production is complete, logistics takes over with the same level of precision. Robotic loaders ensure every unit is positioned safely and consistently.
Shipping routes and schedules are digitally optimized.
At this stage, the factory operates as a single, unified system.
Every process is recorded, measured, and refined over time.
Consistency is the true strength of precision manufacturing. Efficiency is achieved through intelligent energy management.
This level of order defines modern Swiss industrial design.
Once stabilized, the factory can operate continuously for extended periods.
Is how precision manufacturing defines the future of European industry.